Hello, College Park family. I am Mr. Jackson, your Dean of Students here at College Park Elementary. I want to welcome you all back to the 2020-21 school year. It is great to have all of you all back, even if we are in virtual mode. I want to start the year off by introducing you to Princeton the Tiger. There is Princeton the Tiger, the new mascot. With Princeton the Tiger comes our new Positive Behavior Intervention Supports Matrix, better known to you all as the PBIS Matrix. And we have a new Tiger Creed as well. The acronym for the PBIS Matrix is ROAR. R for being responsible, O for being on task, A for acting safely, and R for being respectful. The Tiger Creed reads as follows. I am a tiger of excellence in every way. In my mind, what I write, what I read, and what I say. I will say yes when it is right. I will say no when it is wrong. I am consistent and strong, responsible, on task, acting safely, respectful are part of my core. I am a College Park Tiger. Hear me roar. Boys and girls, let's roar into excellence this year. I hope to see you all soon. Have a great and productive school year.